This is Brother Berman here at KFUI Global Radio. Over here is a 1912 Victrola that winds up. And then this one here is a 1950 Victrola. That's what it says on the front. Electric. It says RCA Victrola, but then they changed it to RCA Victor in the late 50s. So AM FM radio, one turntable for 33 and 78s, and another turntable that's over here for 45s only. That's how they made them. So these came with two separate turntables. The 1951 model only had the 45 RPM turntable and not the bigger turntable. So I like to do projects here. This is kind of how I make money. And I'm installing my time coherent speakers, which is a design that it started with Green Mountain Audio, and I have in my company called Green Mountain Sound. And sometimes I do pretty good, and other times I don't. But over here is an assistant. She is helping me, and where'd she go? Rosy. Oh, there she is. Okay. So, Rosy, how'd you get in there? Okay, there's my assistant. Okay, she's helping me with audio. I don't know how she got in there, but there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. Ding, 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 ding.